In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing Instagram features. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap your profile icon, tap the three lines in the top right corner, and open Settings and Activity. Scroll through the settings and check for any account restrictions or features you may not be able to use. If Instagram shows that your account has restrictions due to a community guidelines violation, some features may be temporarily unavailable until those restrictions are removed. If your account isn't restricted, close Instagram completely along with any other apps running in the background. Next, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Running the latest version of the app gives you access to the newest features and bug fixes. If you're already on the latest version and the feature is still missing, reinstall the Instagram app. On Android, uninstall and reinstall the app. On iPhone, you can offload or delete the app and then reinstall it. This removes temporary files and can resolve issues that prevent new features from appearing. Once the app is reinstalled, sign back into your account and check whether the feature is now available. Keep in mind that Instagram releases new features gradually, so some options may not be available right away. Feature availability can depend on your region, account, app version, or Instagram's rollout schedule, and that's how to fix missing Instagram features. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.